This is Costa, and we're gonna borrow one of the leaves for today's hair treatment. Well, borrow. Hi guys, Sarah here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my hair treatment before washing my hair at home using two different ingredients, which I'm pretty sure everyone has laying around here in the house. I haven't washed my hair in 6 days. It doesn't look greasy, but it is. I've been using dry shampoos to survive these greasy hair days, but it's time to wash my hair, and I like to do hair treatment before washing my hair, leave it to sit in for an hour or so, and then going into the shower washing my hair with shampoo and conditioner. So as you can see, we have some aloe vera here and some coconut, and I am going to mix these two together. And a special thanks to Costa, my my aloe vera plant. It's been having so many babies, so I borrowed one leaf. Well, not borrowed, you're not gonna get it back, but this is the amount of one leaf, and I've added 4 tablespoons of coconut. So I'm gonna mix these two together to create the mask that I'm gonna apply to my roots and my entire hair. Okay, I promise you, it's not eatable. You're not missing out. So this is what it looks like when you add the coconut to the aloe vera. As you can see, it doesn't look smooth enough, so I'm gonna use a blender to mix the two well, so it's smooth enough to use on the hair. And this is what it looks like after using the blender. It looks much better, easy to use now because the two ingredients are mixed well together. Bailey! I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm ready to apply the treatment in my hair. Make sure you remove all the jewelry because it's gonna get a little bit sticky. This is what it looks like. And I love to start at the roots. Oh, let it drip. It's gonna get a little bit messy here, guys, so make sure to use towels and stuff like that. So I'm applying it at the root first. Make sure to add a good amount, especially at the roots. Bailey, you can't eat that. Okay, I think this is good enough. The entire hair is covered with the mixture. I'm gonna move to the other side now. And this is what it looks like. I've added the entire mixture to my hair, and now I'm gonna use a shower cape to cover that, so it's easier for me to move around. And I still have some aloe vera left over here. I'm gonna use that for my skin, like a facial mask. So good. It feels like you're rubbing satin all over your face. It's so soft. So I'm gonna let all of this set in for, let's say, 1 hour, and then I'm gonna hit the shower and just wash regularly with shampoo and conditioner. If needed, you can wash your hair twice if you still feel that it's a little bit sticky, and the smell is amazing, so you don't have to worry about that. What I love about aloe vera is that it has a very healing effect on the skin. So if you have any skin problem or scalp problem, if it's itchy or it's a little bit red, aloe vera helps with that. It has amazing healing powers, and coconut is of course known for moisturizing. So if your hair is really dull, it's super dry, very damaged, the combination of these two will do wonders. So you can do this, let's say, twice a week. For me, I wash my hair every 6 days, so I'm not able to do this twice a week, but once a week is amazing, or at least every now and then if you don't have the time. I totally understand that, because it still need to work in for 1 hour. So yeah, I'm gonna let all of this set in, just relax. I'm gonna read a book or watch Netflix or whatever. Just give the time for the treatment to do what it's supposed to do to the hair. I want to thank you so much, you guys, for taking your time to be here with me. Don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and if you try this mixture, report back to me. How did you like it? Do you see any difference? And what is your favorite mixture, like dye mask, treatment, or whatever you do at home to get beautiful, healthy looking hair? Share down below so we can all benefit from each other. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.